هل لك سر عند الله بينك
I've got two children here, two daughters who attend Taleem Institute. We've recently moved into Grays. It's been about 6 months. It's a very nice environment for us, for the kids as well. I'm very happy, very lucky actually, to have an institute right on our doorstep for our children to attend. My children have been attending Taleem Institute since September. They really enjoy it. They really love the environment. I myself, I can tell the difference with my children. They really want to, wake up in the morning and come to the institute, come to the lessons, enjoy with their teachers, with their students, time spent, and they seem to be learning a lot of things quickly as they seem to be playing and learning together at the same time. So it's really a joy to see them develop into good people like that. And the environment really helps. We don't really have this kind of environment in other places. Like in schools, we don't get to see our children every time of the day. Most of the hours they're in school, picking up different stuff. So the environment really affects them. So I think having an environment like this gives them a different perspective in life and gives them become good role models in the future.
Yeah.
We need such an institute like this because as children growing up in Western society, modern society, they have many influences around them, and this kind of influences turn them into the characters they want to become. So it affects them in a lot of ways. And having an institute like Taleem, it's got good ethics. It's got good, to become a good person. A child needs that, to see that, to get influenced by this kind of stuff and maybe progress them in life in good ways. It really helps with, I can see my children, they're still really young here. They're 7 years old and 5 years old, and they've got manners, and then they're picking up these extra etiquettes from the institute, and it's really helping them. And even stuff that we, as parents ourselves, we haven't really picked up on yet, and it's simple du'as for leaving the house and walking into the toilet, and my children have automatically, they're doing it themselves. So it's a big difference I can see. Messages for other parents. I mean, locally, if you have the opportunity, bring your child and let them pick up, learn something really valuable, and it's a big investment, a really good investment for your child to do. For any other parents, it's a really good investment. Other than spending money on other things here and there, spending money on bills, spending money on this, why not spend money on a good investment for your child's future and your future, and for life.